Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update MySQL safely on a self-hosted VPS step by step clearly. Log into your virtual private server using SSH. Ensure you have root or sudo access to perform administrative tasks. First, check your current MySQL version. You can do this by running the command MySQL version. Next, update your package repository to get the latest information. Run the command sudo apt update for Debian-based systems or sudo dnf check update for Red Hat-based systems. After updating the package repository, backup your existing MySQL databases. You can create a backup by executing miscldump all databases all_databases_backup.sql. Verify that the backup was created successfully. Now, it's time to upgrade MySQL. For Debian-based systems, run sudo apt upgrade MySQL server. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo dnf upgrade MySQL server. Once the upgrade command is complete, check for any additional prompts or instructions. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the update. After the installation is complete, restart the MySQL service. Use sudo systemcll restart MySQL to do this. Next, verify that MySQL is running smoothly after the update. You can check the status by executing sudo systemcll status MySQL. Now, log into MySQL to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Run the command mysql urootp and enter your password when prompted. Check the version to confirm the update was successful. You can do this inside the MySQL shell with the command select version. If there are any issues, refer to the MySQL error log for troubleshooting. Finally, remove any unnecessary packages to keep your system clean. Run sudo apt autoremove or sudo dnf autoremove as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.